Hi friends, good morning. I'm Prakash Subramanian, author of Happy Married Life and your relationship coach. Today, I'm going to discuss a situation which happens in everyone's life. You, me, everyone would have gone through this, but it's just that we do not know what is the solution for this particular problem or the root cause, right? So many times we encounter that the husband or the wife keeps pushing the husband to do some task, and the husband consistently inconsistent in postponing things. Okay, this is the situation. Now if you see, day in and day out the husband keeps postponing and wife uses a lot of adjectives, nouns, pronouns, etc., etc. You can fill in the blanks because me or you, we are all on the same page in certain areas. Okay, so what happens from the wife's perspective? She thinks that the husband is neglecting or ignoring her. Okay, and from the husband's perspective, he is unable to communicate certain things back to her. Okay, so now this is the scenario. I am sure you would have gone through this, or you would have seen people going through this, right? Now, what is the reason for it? Sometimes the reasons are unknown, but this could be a problem for break in the communication between the couple, between the husband and the wife. This is a reason for the break in the communication. Not realizing that husband needs help or the wife needs help, whoever is the procrastinator here, or in certain situations both the husband and wife can be procrastinators. Another thing that also comes in the way is perfectionism. People expect you to be perfect. You can never be perfect. You can only aspire for perfection, but perfectionism comes at a huge cost. In the guise of being perfect, individual keeps postponing things the next day, the next day, the next day, right? I postponed a lot of things due to the fact that I want to give the best possible product. Then when I started analyzing the reason why I am postponing, because I do a lot of inner journey. I've begun my inner journey long ago, so I was asking, why am I postponing it? Okay, and I was shocked when I got the answer that shame is a cause for perfectionism and procrastination is a branch of perfectionism. Now if you see the symptom, the problem and the root cause is the shame. Okay, but the symptom is I'm procrastinating, or rather the individual is procrastinating, or the couple is procrastinating. I'm just sharing as an example so that you can better connect and better interpret what I'm actually conveying to you. All right, so now in your life you would be postponing things, you would be running out of ideas. There are situations where you want to change, but you do not know the how of the change, right? And typically in this example which I shared, the wife wants the husband to do something, but husband is postponing things, or husband wants the wife to do something and wife is postponing things. Okay, so in a scenario like this, both the husband and the wife, or whoever is the procrastinator, they by themselves do not know how to communicate why they are procrastinating certain things. And if you see the reason, somewhere in the past they would have been put to shame, and that shame is going on in their mind like record, review, relive, record, review, relive. So they are reliving on that experience of that shame. Now I was shamed, now so today I have to do it perfectly, else I'll be put to shame. So that goes on in their mind, but unfortunately they are not able to communicate to the other partner, right? If the husband or the wife understand the psychology, the behavior of another person, the other partner in the relationship, then they can be an exemplary couple, right? So I want you to comment on the link or on the comment button or comment box about your views on what I said, right? Thank you.